Namaste students, in this video we are going to see exercise 6.3 14th problem, sides AB and AC, sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ, PQ and PR and the median PM of another triangle PQR. So AB is proportional to P, AB proportional to PQ and AC proportional to PR, proportional to PR and median AD proportional to PM. Clear? It is given in the question. And then show that triangle ABC is similar to a triangle PQR. You have to prove that the two triangles are similar, ABC and PQR. So in what are all ways we can find that the triangles are similar? Yes, A, yes, AS or HS. These are all similar criterion. Okay. Here we can't use RHS because we don't have any 90 degree here. So not going to use RHS rule. Next, SAS. Two sides and one included angle. Two sides and one included angle. They said that the two angles, that AB and the AC and PQ and PM are in proportion. So we can take the two sides. But if we are taking the two sides AB and PQ, AC and PR, means we have to prove that the included angle, that angle A and angle P is equal. We have to, if we are taking this criteria, means we have to tell that angle A, included angle, is equal. We know that the two sides are in proportion. Already it is given in the question itself. If we prove that angle A is equal to angle P, means it is enough to tell that the two triangles are similar. Clear kana? Next, AAA. Three angles must be equal. Here they didn't mention anything about the angle, so I'm not going to use this one. And then yes means the three sides must be equal. Proportional. Three sides, already two sides are in proportion, but one median only proportion, not BC side. Here also not QR. So we can't prove this one also. What we have to do now? Which similarity criterion we have to use? SAS. That only we have to use. Okay. So we have to prove that angle A is equal to angle P. That is very, very important. Okay. This is angle 1. I'm going to mention. I'm going to divide this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is angle 1, that BAD and DAC is 2, QPM is 3 and MPR is 4. Okay, clear all of you? And then write given. Sides AB and the AC and the median, everything is proportional to PQ, PR and the median PM of another triangle PQR. So what it meant? Kanna? AB divided by PQ. Next, AC divided by PR and then AD. AD divided by PM. Since everything is proportional, we can write like this. Clear? And then, since AD is a median, D must be a midpoint. Clear? AD is a median kana. So D will be a midpoint for the side BC. Therefore, this side and this side must be equal. Since AD is median, we can tell that AD is equal to DC. Okay, and then since PM is median in the another triangle PQR, we can tell that QM is equal to MR. These are all things I concluded from the given only. Okay, the sides are in proportion, so I have written that AB divided by PQ, AC divided by PR, and AD divided by PM. And since AD is a median, they mentioned that AD is a median. Since AD is a median, I can tell that D must be a midpoint. So AD is equal to DC and QM is equal to MR. Clear? And then we have to prove that the triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. So we have to tell that the whole angle A. For this, I have to prove that angle A is equal to angle P. If I prove this one means, I can tell that the two triangles are similar, because already we know that the two sides are in proportion. Already we know that the two sides are in proportion, and it is given in the question itself. If we prove that angle A and angle P is equal, means we can tell that the two triangles are similar. So our main aim is to prove the angle A is equal to angle P. All of you clear? Any doubt in this? Okay, Kana. Now we start our proof. Proof. AD is equal to DC and QM is equal to MR. We know already. And before proof, we have to write construction. Before proof, you have to write construction. I'm going to construct that a line to DE, that right, produce in triangle ABC, produce AD to DE, join in the triangle ABC. You have to produce a line AD to DE. Clear? And then you have to join CE and BE. Clear? And for this triangle, you have to, in a triangle PQR, produce PM to MN, join RN and QN. Clear? In triangle PQR, produce PM to MN, join RN and QN. Clear? Before the proof, you have to write the construction. Now we start our proof. First, we know that AD is equal to DC, and one more thing is, from the construction I produced a line AD to DE. No? From this we can tell that AD is equal to DE. Both are equal. Clear, Makana? So in the construction we produced AD to produce a line AD to ED and join BE and CE. No, so this two lines sides are equal, so we can tell that AD is equal to DE. AD is equal to DE, and here also PM is equal to MN. From this construction I can conclude this one, and from this one PM is equal to MN. That is equal. Clear? Proof. Now I am going to start our proof. That first I am going to take BD is equal to CD. BD is equal to CD. See this one. BD is equal to DC. AD is median. AD, since AD is median, have taken that BD is equal to CD. BD is equal to CD. And by the construction, I know that AD is equal to DE. That I am going to take. AD is equal to DE by construction. By construction. Since the diagonals are bisect each other, then we can tell that the figure is parallelogram. Are you clear, Kana? If the diagonals are bisect each other, then we can tell that the figure is parallelogram. So which figure is parallelogram? A, B, E, C is a parallelogram. A, B, E, C. So from this two I can tell that, so A, B, E, C is a parallelogram because diagonals are bisecting. Diagonals are bisecting. Since ABEC is a parallelogram, I can tell that opposite sides are equal in the parallelogram. Which one is opposite side? AC is equal to BE and AB is equal to CE. Okay. So, since this is parallelogram, I can tell that AB is equal to CE. AB is equal to CE and BE is equal to AC. Mark this as 1 and this one as 2. Clear? First, I have taken BD is equal to CD, AD is a median, and then AD is equal to DE. By construction I have taken, since the diagonals are bisect each other, I can tell that ABEC is a parallelogram because the diagonals are bisecting each other. Since that ABEC is a parallelogram, I can tell that the opposite sides are equal. So similarly, I can take for this triangle also. So for that, how we can take QM is equal to MR because PM is a median and PM is equal to MN by the construction. So I can tell that PQNR is a parallelogram. Okay. That similarly PQNR is also a parallelogram. Clear? Then since this triangle is a parallelogram, we can tell that the opposite sides are equal. PQ is equal to NR and PR is equal to QN. I can tell that the opposite sides are equal. PQ is equal to RN and Qn is equal to PR. Mark this as equation 3 and this as equation 4. Clear Dakana? Okay. And then what we have to take is from the given. From the given, I'm going to take that AB divided by PQ is equal to AC divided by PR is equal to AD divided by PM. That I'm going to take now. That AB divided by PQ is equal to AC divided by PR is equal to AD divided by PM. Given. From the given I have taken this one. So why we have taken this one? Why we proved that AB is equal to CE, BE is equal to AC and PQ is equal to RN and QN is equal to PN. Okay, so we know that AB divided by PQ, AC divided by PR and AD median, AD divided by PM is equal. This median line side I am going to change. I am going to change this one. Why we can, how we can change this one? AD I am going to change into EAE. I'm going to change into AE. Clear kana? Instead of AD, I'm going to change into EAE. How we can change? I said that these two lines sides are equal. These two sides are equal. So, if AE, how we can write AE? AD plus DE. I can write both the sides are equal now. Both the sides are equal. So instead of DE, I can write AB itself, AD itself. So AD plus AD is equal to 2AD. So AE is equal to 2AD. And then for this also I can prove that how we can write PN. PN is equal to PM plus MN and instead of MN I can write MPM itself. So PM plus PM is equal to 2PM. So PN is equal to 2PM. So I'm going to change this median portion alone. First I'm going to multiply 2 to the numerator as well as to the denominator for the last proportion. Okay, so AB divided by PQ, AC divided by PR and 2AD divided by 2PM. 2AD divided by 2PM. Okay, so 2AD what I proved? Just now I proved that AE is equal to 2AD. So instead of this I am going to substitute AE divided by PN. Clear? I have changed this one. And one more thing also I am going to change. Instead of AC and PR, instead of AC I can substitute BE and instead of PR I can substitute QN. We can change this one also. Similarly we can prove. This one I am going to take to prove. Okay, so in next I have changed this one first. Now I am going to change this one. Okay, AB divided by PQ. Instead of AC I am going to substitute BE. PR instead of PR QN is equal to AE divided by PN from 2 and 4. From 2 and 4. Clear all of you? Okay. Next, AB. Where is AB? AB divided by PQ. Okay. Next, BE. BE divided by QN. This two sides. Okay. And then AE divided by PN. That only we proved now. Clear? See this one? See this one, Kana? What we proved? AB is proportional to the side PQ. AB is proportional to the side PQ. And then BE proportional to the side QN. And AE proportional to the side PN. Okay. Then what we can tell from this? The triangle ABE. The triangle. Now AD is proportional to PQ. And then BE is proportional to QN. And AE is proportional to PN. That only we proved now. So which triangle we can tell that it is similar? This full triangle ABE. Clear? Here PQN. PQN. That only I am going to write here. The triangle ABE is similar to the triangle PQN by SSS similarity criterion. Okay, similarity criterion. It is similar. The two triangles are similar. Since the two triangles are similar, I can tell that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Half a portion. Now I proved that half a portion of the angles are equal. Clear, Kana? That's why we proved that this triangle is similar. These two triangles are similar. Since triangle ABE is similar to the triangle PQN, I can tell that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Mark this as equation 5. Clear, Kana? Okay. Then, similarly, we can tell that these two triangles are also similar. These two triangles also similar by SSS rule. How we can tell that these two triangles are similar means, in this place I changed this one, no? This side AC divided by PR, I changed into BE divided by QN. Instead of this, if I change AB to CE, if I change AB to CE, AB, this one, if I choose the 1 and the third means ACE, and instead of PQ, if I change RN means, we can tell that the triangle ACE and PRN is similar. Clear? So just I am going to write that similarly triangle ACE is similar to the triangle PRN by SSS similarity criterion. Okay. So since triangle ACE is similar to the triangle PRN, I can tell that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Mark this as equation 6. Clear, Kana? Sorry, equation 2. Equation 2 is equal to equation 4. Sorry, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. angle 2 is equal to angle 4. If we proved that the two triangles ABE and PQN is similar, so I can tell that angle 1 is equal, I told that angle 1 is equal to angle 3, and similarly we can prove that ACE is similar to the triangle PRN, so I can conclude that angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So from 5 and 6, from 5 and 6, add, I'm going to add, that is angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is what? Full angle, that is angle A. And angle 3 plus angle 4 is nothing but angle P. Clear kana? Angle A is equal to angle P. So we proved that angle A is equal to angle P. So already I said that the two sides are in proportion only. If we prove that angle A is equal to angle P, means we can tell that the whole triangle ABC and PQR is similar. Clear? That only I am going to write. So in triangle that I am going to take ABC and triangle PQR, in that angle A is equal to angle P from 7, and the sides are in proportion AB divided by PQ and AC divided by PR. It is given in the question itself. So I can conclude that by SAS similarity criterion, triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. So now I concluded that the triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. This is lengthy video only, but this is very easy for you. Keep it in mind that we have to prove that angle A is equal to angle P. That is important. So I divided into two portions, that angle 1, 2, 3, 4. So first I proved that angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to similarly we can prove that angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So totally angle A is equal to angle P I proved, and already it is in the given that the sides are in same proportion. The two sides are in same proportion. So I concluded by SAS criterion. By SAS criterion, I said that the two triangles are similar. Thank you.